you can actually set up your dream garden without breaking the bank. Yeah, you can. I didn't. Most of what I have right here are things that I actually repurpose. So if I can do it, you can do it too.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to my food forest in containers. I welcome all of you, my new gardening family. Thank you all so much, my faithful gardening family, for your unwavering support. I sincerely appreciate you one and all. Shout out to you, my channel members. So I am just showing you around how I come by all of this on a budget, like literally on a budget. A lot of persons been asking me questions about my setup, so I'm just going to give you a run through and to actually give you some ideas as well. So come along. All right, so first thing first, I get a lot of questions all the time about this trellis right here. So this is actually a chair and these are some strings. Now these strings that you're looking at, they come from like a privacy curtain. I'm going to search for a picture and try to put it here. So what I did was to cut off the strings and use them in my garden. So this is a chair that I actually open up and ran the strings on it. Alright, so let me show you what the chair looks like. So this is a chair. So what I did was to pull it apart. So I removed these and then turn this one that way, turn that one that way, and let them come together to make this. The same thing right here. So that's one idea right there. Now this stand that you're looking at, I have one here and I have one here as well. This is actually a 2 feet stand. So one right there and one right there. None is at the back, right? So that is why I brace it on the wall right there. So the weight of it is bracing on the wall, and then the 2 foot at the front is carrying the weight of the front. All right, so it's actually the same thing over here. Now over here to the wall, you can see these chairs. These are some old chairs that I had and I decided to just use them up in the garden. What I did was to put a piece of board on top of them. I don't remember what happened to the actual seats themselves, so what I did was to get a long piece of board right there. You can see it doesn't even look great. So I just went ahead and placed those 4 containers on top of there. So these stakes that you're seeing, these colored thick stakes that you're seeing, these are actually old broomsticks. Yeah, old broomsticks. So I generally, once I have a whole broom, I don't throw away the sticks. I keep them so that I can use them in my garden. This trellis that I have my dragon fruit on, a friend of mine made it for me, and these were actually some used board. I saw the design on YouTube and I said, all right, I had these boards and I just have him cut it up for me and make me my trellis for my dragon fruits. Now this right here, this is a tomato cage. I purchased these on Amazon. I'll link it in the description for anyone that is interested in getting these cages. I have a few more right here with my tomatoes. I put one right here. You're actually going to see some more around the garden. This trellis right here with my grapevine, it is actually a DIY. What I did was to get these are 2 iron, strong iron, that is. What I did was to just push it down in the soil. So one right there and one right here. So what I did was to use the same strings and just run them across and let my grapevine trellis on it. See? Yeah, and these are not hard to do because I did it all by myself. This trellis that you're looking at, that I need to put another section inside here. This one that you're looking at, that I am currently having the chayote or the chocho run on, what I did was just to open it up. So it's the same tomato cage that you're looking at, and I just open it up like that. So this is another way you can actually use that trellis. And of course, if you wanted it to go longer, all you need to do is to continue. Put one across, then you put one going up, and you continue along. So that's an idea right there. Now this that you're seeing my yam vine on, I will try to see if I can find the pictures of how I got to here with this trellis. So this is actually an old closet that I used to get my trellis there for my yam vine. You won't see it properly. I can't really get around there because I'm even wondering when it's time to harvest my yam how that is going to work out, but I'll figure it out before things get wild. All right, so as you can see, I'm using 5-gallon buckets right here, and I'm going to show you these black containers, but I'm going to go down that side where all three of them are together so you can see the difference. And these are some 10.5-gallon containers, inches that is. I have some 12-inch ones over here. These are 2 half-a barrel. This is the bigger one with my dwarf coconut tree. So those are most of the sizes that I have, and I have this size bucket as well. These are 3-gallon buckets, and yeah, those are the sizes. So these black ones that you're looking at right now, so this one right here, this is a 14-inch container, and I have these containers over almost 3 years, no, about 2 years now, about 2 or over 2 years. Yeah, I don't think it gets to 3 years as yet, so somewhere along there. So this is a 12-inch. The other size up to it is this one, which is a 16-inch, and then this one is a 24-inch. All right, and these containers, for those who are living in Portmore, I got these at Lintian Mart. I think it's Lintian Mart, the name. Yeah, opposite Mega Mart in Portmore. So if you're interested, that's where I got those. So yes, you can actually set up your dream garden without breaking the bank. I'm not sure if I'm missing anything right now, but if you see anything that I didn't make mention of that you're interested in, you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section and I'll respond accordingly. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so each time I post a video, you'll be the first to get it. And please share with others as well so that they too can get some ideas if they want to start their own garden, but they're wondering where to start. So this is where I leave you for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Until tomorrow, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.